This is my review of the Sony 720 headphones. It is very comfortable over here, which is where you put your earpiece in. This is the on button right here. When you turn it on, there will be a blinking light. That means it's on. This is the charger where you put the charging port in to charge your phone. This is also a port where you can plug this into your computer or laptop. Over here, this button is noise canceling or ambient sound that you can use on your app if you want to change it to noise canceling. And also this is how you can connect your Bluetooth to your phone or laptop. There's a Bluetooth logo here. This is the increase volume or decrease volume. This is when you have a phone call, you can use it hand-free to answer a call, or you can also use it with a speaker, which is great. It's easy to use. And these are the very soft areas that you can use, which is very, very comfortable. I've been using this for over a year, so I do highly recommend this. And it's great if you're working from home on a jog, or if you're just doing any errands around the house. So I do highly recommend this. And the charging time is very quick, just under 5 to 20 minutes. And there is a 35-hour battery time that will last for the headphones. The charging port is included with it. You get one of those, and you also get the wire where you can plug it into your computer and listen to that. So I do highly recommend this product.